Hi, I'm Mercedes Conkright. The recipe I chose to do today was cheesy chicken broccoli and rice casserole in the crock pot. So first, the recipe calls to put 1 cup of brown rice into the bottom of the crock pot. Okay, after that, the recipe calls to put 2 cups of chicken broth over the rice in the crock pot. There's 1 cup. And here is the 2nd cup. Next, the recipe calls to sprinkle the 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper into the crock pot. Okay, so next it calls to cut the approximately a pound of chicken into small bite-sized pieces. Trim a little bit of the fat off, put it to the side. Trim a little bit of the extra fat off of this one. Okay, now it says to spread the chicken evenly into the crock pot. Wash my hands to keep everything clean. Next, it calls to pour the 12 ounces of frozen broccoli into the crock pot over the chicken. Okay, then you are going to cover it and put it on low for 2 to 4 hours. So I'm going to set it for 3. And then when we come back, we're going to put the cheese on it to kick it off. So we're going to cover this and let it cook for about 3 hours. And when we come back, we're going to put 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese and mix it in it. And then put the remaining cup on top of it and let it melt. But in the meantime, I'm going to clean up my mess. Okay, so now it's been about 3 hours and we're going to take the lid off. We're going to stir it up a little. We're going to add 1 cup of cheese. We're going to stir that in. Let's just see how it looks. Now we're going to add the remaining cup on top. Sprinkle it around a little bit. Put the lid back on. Set it to keep warm and let the cheese melt. Okay, it's been a few minutes and we see the cheese is nice and melted. I'm going to scoop out a little bit. And now it's ready to eat.